Hey everybody, my name is Ethen Ostroff. I'm an injury lawyer in the Philadelphia area. I own my own law firm, Ethen Ostroff Law. My goal is to make sure to protect your future injury case because guess what? No one ever imagines being a plaintiff in a personal injury case. Today we're going to talk about, can my train crash accident and my injuries from my train crash settle out of court? The answer is absolutely, but you do definitely want to work with somebody who's willing to take it to court. Train accidents can be some of the most horrible injury types of cases that you can possibly be involved in. If your train gets derailed, you as a passenger have a right for a personal injury case because it is not your fault. The basic analysis of whether you have a case in personal injury is, were you hurt? Were you not at fault? And when you're a passenger in a train accident, of course you're not at fault. So if you do get hurt, the chances of it settling out of court are probably 95%. But the lawyer that you hire is the one that would be that 5% and would take your case to trial, because if you hire a lawyer that isn't willing to take your case to trial, then there's a good chance that you're going to settle for cheaper than you deserve. So it's a balance. Will your case settle out of trial? Probably. Should it settle out of trial? Only if you're being paid the proper amount of money for what you went through. If you broke your leg, you broke your arm, you broke your neck on a train accident, and you get offered $15,000 out of court, and your case is worth a multiple $1 million case, of course you should take that case to trial because you're going to get more money very likely. So will your case settle out of trial? 95 to 99% of cases do settle before you actually go to verdict at a trial. That doesn't mean, though, that you should be willing to take less money to avoid trial, because trial can be the ultimate way to get paid what you deserve for what you're going through that is not your fault. Most train accidents are just a freak accident, even if there is no fault on the conductor. Even if something would have been done that could have prevented that, no matter what happened, as a passenger, you're not at fault and you're entitled to being paid for what you're going through. So will it settle out of court? The answer is probably, but you got to be willing to take it to trial just in case that you're getting pushed around by an insurance company. Before you end today, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Follow along where I will make sure that your future injury case is protected. Thanks so much.